In this video, we're going to analyze some of the key activities, or rather the key features, which you can be able to perform using your vehicle tracking app. So first of all, you can note that the app on the iPhone and the Android device look quite different. This is due to a setting which you can simply change by clicking on the two squares, which will be on top of the screen on your right hand side. So that's mainly shifting from satellite view to the map view. Okay. Now, if you click the three dots above, that will indicate current traffic in the roads at the moment. So you can see that the green light, rather the green line on the map, that refers to where there's no vehicle traffic. The red part, there's a lot of traffic within that area. And the orange part, that's mild traffic. So for you to be able to track better, on the left-hand corner, there's the plus and the minus button. So once you click on the plus, that's to zoom. So the more you zoom, the clearer you're able to view the actual location of the car. Okay. Now, you can also switch to the satellite view to have a more accurate look of the area where your car is at the particular moment. When clicking on the letter T, that will display the number plate of the vehicle, or rather the name of the vehicle. So this is very important for people who are tracking more than one car on the same app. And those are the main functionalities which you can perform here. And then once you click on the vehicle icon, you can also be able to get more information. So let's say the vehicle is moving, you'll be able to see that the vehicle is moving. If it's static, it will tell you it's static and it has stopped there for how long. The other features are engine status, either the engine is on or off. The battery, this refers to the battery of the vehicle tracker. When it's 100%, it means that it's fully charging. If it's less than 100%, that means that your vehicle might be having a wiring issue, rather the battery of your vehicle was disconnected earlier.